Hari Om, this is Atmadarshan on retreat in the Berkshire Mountains. I just received a message from a friend that he's having surgery and to send healing thoughts. So today, in the mountains, we will do the Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra 11 times, as is recommended for a daily practice. This mantra is said to help us find health and peace in the face of death, not by healing the impermanent physical, but by helping us to realize the transcendent eternal that we are at our very core. You can listen. The words are also available at welcomingdestiny.com/resources on the resources page 11 times. If you'd like to center yourself, please do. And as we're on a mountain, if any unusual sounds come up, make that part of the practice. Bring the attention to the heart space and notice the breath moving there. Visualize, imagine, or feel a tiny flame with no source in the center of the chest. Bring to mind some aspect of your world or self that needs support or healing. Hold the awareness here as we chant the Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra together 11 times. You can listen and do it mentally or join aloud at any time. Breathing in. Om.